Ever wondered which plants can survive in rocky soil? Rocky soil presents unique challenges, making plant life a bit of a struggle. But nature is resilient. Certain plants have evolved to flourish in these conditions. Today, we're counting down the top 5 plants that are resilient in rocky soil. Starting off at number 5, we have creeping thyme. This resilient plant thrives in rocky soil due to its low growing habit and drought tolerance. Its vibrant flowers bring life to any rocky landscape. Creeping thyme, a great choice for adding color to your rocky landscape. At number 4, we find the rock rose. This hardy plant thrives in rocky soil, its beautiful blooms adding a splash of color. Requiring little water, it's a champion of resilience. Rock rose for those who want beauty and resilience. Coming in at number 3 is blue fescue. This unique plant boasts a striking blue-green hue. Its compact size coupled with an impressive drought resistance makes it a champion in rocky conditions. Blue fescue, a touch of color in even the toughest soils. At number 2, we have the stone crop. This plant is a true succulent, thriving even in the poorest of soils. Its resilience is matched only by its beauty, boasting vibrant summer flowers. Stone crop, a succulent that laughs in the face of rocky soil. And the number 1 plant for rocky soil resilience is the Russian sage. Its striking silver foliage and attractive purple flowers are not just a visual treat. Russian sage's superior drought tolerance makes it the true champion. Russian sage, the champion of rocky soil resilience. That wraps up our top 5 plants for rocky soil resilience. We've covered creeping thyme, rock rose, blue fescue, stonecrop, and Russian sage. Consider these sturdy contenders when dealing with rocky garden terrains. If you found this information useful, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.